If you love the lake life, then this is the spot for you. Property contains 3.5 lots with wonderful water views from the second level of this fixer-upper home. Priced for lot values, but the right person could restore this home. Room to build another home on the additional lots. Public water available. Seller said septic system in place but should be independently verified as to condition. Subdivision has a community center with a swimming pool, private fishing pier as well as a private boat launch. Hurry! Don't miss this opportunity.